Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I am back with another unboxing. I don't need to move that. We're just going to pop this up on screen. You already know the deal. Yeah, and I already know y'all guys been asking me to make shirts. I am making the shirts. That says it. So you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So yeah, I am going to be having the shirts coming out that basically shows the bat knife in a box saying bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So what did I get? I got an enclosure for my M.2. So basically, when I upgraded my ROG Ally, I had the 512 M.2, the 2230 M.2 right here, just laying around. So I'm going to basically wipe this out and use it for my other computers on my Ally. So this is basically what I got. It was like 10 bucks. It has decent write speeds for this enclosure. Just open it up. So this is it right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Why is this thing dusty as fuck? This thing is dusty. I don't know, it has powder all over it. Better not be no damn anthrax. Okay, this sucker just got powder on it. You get a USB. You get thermal pad. Get the other one right here. It's right here. Then you get screws. Then you get the manual and stuff right there. So yeah, I don't know why this had dust on it. Probably where it was at in the warehouse. So basically pop it out like that. Put your M.2 right there. Slide it in. Bada bing, bada boom, like that. And you basically pop it in. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna test this out a little and I'll come back and tell you what I think about it. It's your boy Daddy Easy, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.